why you drift after day 7, and how to stop it. Most people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because drift is silent, and they never installed a standard to stop it. Drift is quiet. That's why it wins. What you don't enforce, you eventually abandon. Drift doesn't announce itself. It just slowly pulls you off course until the gap becomes too wide to see. When you start something, day 1 feels exciting. You have new energy, clear vision, and the momentum feels effortless. But then day 7 feels normal. The shine fades. Your brain says, we're good now. But that's where most people fall off. Here's the real problem. You didn't fail because you're lazy. You didn't fail because you're broken. You failed because you never installed a standard. Here are 3 fixes. 1. Set a minimum standard. Even on bad days, you still show up. No negotiation, no exceptions. 2. Track execution daily. If you don't track it, you lie to yourself. Tracking removes the comfort of ambiguity. 3. Install short-term structure. Force reps, build proof. Consistency isn't built by trying harder. It's built by obeying standards. Your standards become your identity. You don't become consistent by trying harder. You become consistent by obeying standards until it's who you are. If you keep drifting after strong starts, your next step is structure. Not motivation, not inspiration. Structure that forces execution. If you keep drifting after strong starts, this is the system you need. The OBL 14-day discipline reset. It gives you daily missions, tracking, and structure. Get the OBL 14-day discipline reset now. Link in the description. 14 days, daily structure, no drift, just execution. It's time for you to stop restarting and install standards. Execution turns principles into wealth.